In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching Instagram post using Canva's amazing Magic Expand feature. Whether you're a social media manager, a small business owner, or simply someone who loves sharing beautiful visuals, this tool can be a game changer in elevating your Instagram game. Let's start by opening Canva. It's a versatile tool that's widely accessible whether you're using it on a computer or directly from your mobile device. Once you're in, take your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find an array of design options available. We're going to direct our focus to the social media category. Click on that and you'll be presented with a variety of templates tailored for different social media platforms. For this tutorial, you'll want to select the Instagram post design option. This is where you'll find the ideal canvas size tailored specifically for Instagram's requirements, ensuring your post looks polished and professional. Next, it's time to personalize your design. Head over to the Uploads section. Here, you can upload your own images or graphics that you'd like to include in your post. Simply click on Uploads, choose your file from your device, and bring it into Canva. Once you've got your image, you can adjust it however you see fit. You can resize, reposition, or even rotate your image to get the perfect layout. Now, let's dive into the feature that is going to add that extra touch to your design, Magic Expand. Click Edit and search for Magic Expand in the editor. It's a nifty little tool that allows you to expand your image seamlessly, keeping the proportions perfect without compromising quality. Once you have selected Magic Expand, you'll be prompted to select your preferred size. This is where you can get creative. Whether you want a wider landscape or a taller portrait, choose the dimensions that suit your vision best. Click Expand, and just like that, you're presented with 4 different options. Each of these variations offers a slightly different take on your design, allowing you to choose exactly how you want your image to expand. Feel free to click through each one and see which matches your aesthetic. When you've found the one that fits best with your idea, simply click Done to lock it in. You have now successfully leveraged Canva's features to create a customized Instagram post. By using Magic Expand, you've ensured your image stands out in a unique way, capturing your audience's attention right at the first glance. Take a moment to review your creation. If you're satisfied, you can save or share it directly to your social media from Canva. And there you have it, a beautiful, personalized Instagram post created with ease and creativity.